Audi Connect offers you access to a range of services that can simplify and enhance your driving experience, like the Remote Start feature. To use Remote Start, you must have the myAudi app downloaded and paired to your vehicle. Once paired, you can initiate Remote Start from either the home screen on your app, the All Functions screen, or via the shortcut icon. It's important to note that in order for the vehicle to work, your vehicle must be in park with the emergency brake on and the ignition turned off, the windows up, the doors locked, and the fuel tank full enough to ensure that the low fuel light is not on. Never use Remote Start inside a garage or with passengers inside the vehicle. When you're ready, select Remote Start on your myAudi app. Then, when prompted, enter the PIN or use your Face ID to activate the feature. The request status will appear in the Remote Start screen on your app, and a Remote Start activated successfully message will appear when your vehicle has been started. Once your vehicle has been started, all of the electrical systems, like air conditioning and radio, will be activated to the last setting you've selected. For example, if your air conditioning was set to 70 degrees during your last drive, your vehicle will default to that same temperature when remote started. Keep in mind, Remote Start will only work 2 times in a row. Each time, the vehicle will run for 10 minutes and then turn off. So if you do not get into your vehicle and begin your drive before the second Remote Start activation ends, you will need to manually start your vehicle and drive at a speed of at least 5 miles per hour in order to reset the Remote Start system.